Ready to upgrade your home heating and cooling with a Ductless Mini Split heat pump? You want to make sure to choose the best Ductless HVAC contractor in Salt Lake City. Why? Because a lot can go wrong in the hands of an inexperienced ductless contractor. There's just one name to top your list of licensed ductless installers: Neerings Plumbing, Heating and Air. They've been serving the Salt Lake City area for over 85 years and are a certified Mitsubishi Diamond contractor. When it comes to Ductless Mini Split installations, they have experience on their side. They'll take care of 3 important things so you can enjoy the full benefit of a ductless system. They'll match the right product to your home, ensure proper product placement, and provide a professional installation. Today, you can enjoy year-round comfort with the Mitsubishi Mini Split because just one unit can both heat and cool. The best news is you can save big money too. A Mitsubishi Mini Split offers super high efficiencies. Many homeowners report savings up to 50% on their utility bills. Ready for your best home comfort? Find out how a Mitsubishi Mini Split can help you save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort. Turn to Salt Lake City's best ductless heat pump contractor who will roll out the red carpet for you. Call Neerings Plumbing, Heating and Air at 801-441-3633 today.